Eddie! Oh my God, I adore you. Edy Massih is here with us, guys. First
Hello,
time ever on
hello.
our show. I'm literally
Yes.
crying. You're so adorable. And I
Thank
made
you.
a winter shakshuka at the top of the show today. I love Lebanese food. I love Middle Eastern food in general. I love Mediterranean food, period. And I'm just so overwhelmed that you were on those lines at the books and the things all these years. It just makes me cry. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You've been a true inspiration for me throughout all the years. And, without your 30-minute meals every day after school with a box of Cheez-Its and some Diet Coke, my life would not be the same.
You made my life my year today. It really meant so
Oh.
much to me. Um, I love Lebanese food, and can you explain to people what you love about it?
What I love about it is it just feels like love and home in a way, but it's also so bright and zesty. And it's the best way to bring people together because we have a lot of meze, and meze are these little appetizers. And they're the way that we bring people together. It's through these spreads. And that's just the biggest thing to me.
This is what I love. What I love to cook, what I love to share, what I love to eat. I cannot wait for us to hug it out in person.
Yes.
And
Oh, I
your
can't
tree
wait for that.
is everything. Your tree is everything.